Hey guys, welcome back to Bartlow's Barbecue, and today, that's right, we are grilling Spatchcock chicken. It is Mother's Day weekend, and this was a special request from my wife, as we're gonna have her family over the weekend, and so we are grilling two chickens. I've already prepared one, but I'm gonna show you how to make the Spatchcock chicken and get it prepared for the grill. The first thing is you want to make sure, as always, you have all the right supplies and tools, so you're not kind of scurrying around, looking for certain things. So you're definitely going to want to have a little bowl to throw all the guts in real quick. You're going to want to have a paper towel that you can dry the chicken, because obviously it's coming pre-packaged and it's got all that juice in there, and you want to dry it down and have that ready to put the rub on. Definitely want to have your butcher's block ready to go to be able to season it. If you don't have one of those, use a pan like I have, or another pan like this that you can just put it in after you cut all the backbone out. And that's the first step of preparing, is we're looking and feeling for the backbone. And we're going to cut 2 incisions. And if we have difficulty, I'll have to cut on the sides to pull that out. And then we'll make sure everything is ready to go and pulled out. Some guts already kind of fell out of it as I was even just getting it prepared. So first step is feel for the backbone, and then you're just gonna start making a cut like so. All right. It is slippery, and then it just starts going once you start cutting. All right. Make sure I got deep in that bone there. Okay. And you're definitely going to want, a pair of kitchen shears to kind of get this going. Okay. Yeah, it's coming right out. You can hear it crackling here. And there we go. Backbone taken out. And a lot of people don't like a lot of the extra excess in here, so it's not uncommon to just cut some stuff that you don't like seeing. But the reality is, once you start cooking this stuff, you're just gonna be pulling the chicken around the bone anyway. So it's more probably about presentation than anything else on the inside. But you can cut some things that you don't like seeing, and you can just put it in that bowl, and we're essentially there. And one of the other tips I've learned from some awesome chefs, and so on YouTube specifically, really love watching Barbecue Dad in Canada. Man, he's awesome. He is, I think it's Smoking Dad's Barbecue. I love his videos, and so helpful. And I love all things barbecue. There's just so many out there. But one of the tips is just making sure when you kind of get to the head of the chicken is pushed down, and you can hear a crack. And then that helps make sure the chicken is literally in the spatchcock position, like so. Like that, kind of show you what that looks like. And then now you're ready to put on the rub. Now my hands are a little dirty from this, so I'm gonna leave one glove on and one glove off to get the rub ready to go. I like using Holy Cow's meat rub. It's so good. One little tip you can do, it's not essential, but you can definitely put some olive oil on here and rub it around. And then also, whenever you're kind of in this process, you can lift up the skin, and you can also get some rub inside that skin. And that will be really tasty, because my friends, if you stay watching this towards the end of the video, I am going to turn this spatchcock chicken into barbecue sandwiches, and I can't wait to show you what that looks like. And all you got to do is just get the position you want, and you want to evenly rub this. And it's got that nice orange and peppery look. I love that. Really love Meat Church's rub. And you can just kind of, well, so you can put a liberal amount on here, let it get the color you're looking for. Here we go. Looking for those little empty spots I missed. We'll always come back for it. And then you're gonna flip it. And then we'll just do this side as well. But one of the things I'm gonna do, because it is a little wet right now, obviously open this up, get the insides as well. I'm gonna put this in the other pan and add more rub as we go. So go ahead and move that over, because I'm gonna use this to transfer everything over. Position that there, clean it later. Gonna continue to put that seasoning on there exactly the way we want it. And then I've already got the grill fired up, and that's really a good tip I've learned in this barbecue journey, and also watching other barbecue pit masters, is while you're in the meat preparation, fire up that grill to get the temperature, especially if you've got a ceramic egg or something like that, and you need time to kind of get it up to temperatures. And so since we're going to be putting this directly on the grill, I want to make sure that we have plenty of time also to get that fire going. All right, got another part of the leg I want to really get seasoned. Yeah, just watch it kind of pour out there. Also, yeah, I got the inside of that as well. Oh yeah, it's gonna be really tasty. Just essentially wherever you can get this, it's gonna turn out wonderful. And my friends, that is the first step on seasoning your chicken, and then we're gonna literally just put this on the grill, get it up to temperature to that 160 on the heart of this chicken, and in some parts 180, and then we will be shredding this, getting ready to make some awesome barbecue sandwiches for all the moms out there. I'm gonna do a close-up so you can kind of see this a little better in the preparation season. Well, hey guys, welcome back. I wanted to give you a side view of this spatchcock chicken so that you can see that again. All you need to do is take your olive oil here and you're gonna pour it on that chicken. Use your favorite rub, and you're just gonna evenly spread it like this. And again, you've laid it down on its belly or on its back, and essentially we are just labeling that and putting it in the right position, putting all the seasoning in the right places. And then you're ready to go to put it on the grill. It's pretty simple process of getting this ready for the grill. So I'm really excited about that. And again, it's always nice to have a bowl to throw all the yucky guts, as well as having your paper towel ready to go so that you are clean and you are ready to go in this process of making a spatchcock chicken. So all that to say is we're now gonna take it out to the grill and get it fired up. Well, hey guys, welcome back. We are going to be putting the chicken directly on the grill, but one thing to get that smoked flavor is get your wood chunks. I'm using apple cider today. Simply lift up your Kamado Joe like so, drop those on. I'll be putting on that grill here in a moment, and excited about that. The grill grates, let it drop down. Make sure you have your temperature gauge ready to go. Go ahead and walk around here and place that grate on here. Really hot. Having a little trouble here. There we go. Got a weird angle. There we go. Nothing like watching the real deal as you're cooking. And so we're gonna put this chicken directly on, and I'm gonna make sure we have room for two. And let's see what we can do here. Oh yeah. We'll go every other direction. And the nice thing is there's plenty of room on this Kamado Classic to make that happen. Gonna get that temperature going really high, and then we're gonna come back and check out how the progress is doing. Again, we're looking for temperature more than we are time, but typically this is a 45-minute smoke and grill to get this chicken up to the speed we want, and then we'll come back and we'll show you how to shred it, sandwich it, and eat it. Well, hey guys, we are about to take off the chicken off the grill. I'm totally pumped. You're gonna need some monster gloves like this to take off. These are high resistant heat gloves, chef gloves, and anyways, heat shield gloves. They're pretty cool. And because obviously the meat's really hot, we're gonna put it in this pan, and then we are going to get a close up of the chicken as we cut it apart and then shred it to make some BBQ chicken sandwiches. It's gonna be great. Here we go. All right, my friends, it's already really tender. Woo! I go in this direction. Oh my gosh, it smells so delicious. Trying to get this off. There we go. Be gentle on not taking too much of that amazing bark off as I'm transferring. Go ahead and close it down. All right, we will be back. Do a close-up so you can see how we shred this chicken for barbecue sandwiches. Okay, guys. Now we took the chicken off the grill. Simply is cutting these legs off right here to make it really easy just to pull apart. Oh my gosh, look how tender that is. And literally, we are just gonna put that right there the best we can. So the skin's just coming right off, which we're gonna save later, cut up, and literally we're just gonna shave off. That whole thing just came off. Amazing. Yeah, so good. Get it off the bone. Very hot. So I'm trying to do it really fast. And we'll just keep on going until the whole bird's done, and then I'll show you the barbecue sandwich. Well, hey guys, we just finished cooking up the chicken, and I am excited to sandwich this thing and eat it. So first step is, if you don't own a pair of bear claws, you need to get some right away. They're super cheap, and you're literally just gonna pour this right on your sandwich, which I've already done. And then you're gonna drizzle just a little bit of this feta cheese on there to your liking, whatever kind of cheese that you enjoy. And then I have my Head Country barbecue sauce. I also like Sweet Baby Ray's as well. We're gonna drizzle this on there. Oh yeah. Not too much, but just enough. Then we're gonna put that bread on there. And my friends, we are going to serve this tomorrow for Mother's Day for our family. But here, we're gonna enjoy this chicken right here. It's already coming out. I'll get that barbecue. So good. Take it in. So I could take that pickle, a little of that barbecue sauce, but man, what I love the most is just the taste of the pureness of this chicken. It is very sweet. It has a perfect balance of smokiness. Sometimes I don't like things to be too smoky, but it has like this perfect balance of smokiness. And then it's got that holy cow rub that I love. I can just taste that flavor. And then you just put it on with whatever bread you like, with some cheese, a pickle, whatever other dressings that you enjoy from where you're from, and man, you will have an incredible barbecue sandwich served, ready to go for your family. Hey, if you like what you saw today, love for you to subscribe, like it, turn on your notifications. Man, this is one of my hobbies, so I'm gonna do my best to produce a few videos as often as I can, but I'm hoping put together more videos as we go. And if you have any ideas of things that you would love for me to try, I'm willing to try, because I'm, again, on this barbecue journey with you, and we're learning from each other in this barbecue community on YouTube. I love it, and I hope that you will check it out. Other videos that I've made. If you haven't checked out the smoked bologna sandwich, I think you'll really enjoy that. It's a lot of fun, really easy to cook, especially if you're just getting started. And I think it's highly underrated, although some people just not sure if they want to try bologna, but hey, go check it out. I think you'll be surprised. Really easy to do. Again, check us out. Subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and we look forward to hearing from you, and would love for you to put in the comments your thoughts and your ideas. I would love to hear from you, and it's really a lot of fun to engage with this community.